Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in your Gmail. This is incredibly useful when you need to automatically respond to specific emails, whether you're out of office, managing customer inquiries, or simply want to acknowledge receipt of certain messages without manual effort. First, open your web browser and head to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account by entering your email address and clicking Next, then type in your password and click Next again to access your inbox. Now, before we can create auto replies, we need to enable a feature called templates. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, which opens your settings menu. From there, select See All Settings to access the full configuration options. Once you're in, navigate to the Advanced tab at the top of the page. Scroll through until you find the templates option and click Enable. This feature allows Gmail to save and reuse email drafts as automated responses. Make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. With templates enabled, it's time to create your auto reply message. Click Compose to start a new email draft. Write the message you want to automatically send as a reply. Once your message is ready, click the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. From the menu that appears, select Templates, then choose Save Draft as Template. Give your template a descriptive name that you'll recognize later, like out of office reply or customer acknowledgement, and click Save. Now we'll set up the automation itself. Click the gear icon again and select See All Settings. This time, look for the Show Search Options icon in the Gmail search bar at the top of your inbox and click it. This is where you'll define which emails should trigger your auto reply. Enter your filter criteria based on your needs. For example, you might specify emails from a certain sender, emails with specific keywords in the subject line, or messages containing certain phrases. Once you've set your conditions, click Create Filter. In the filter options that appear, check the box next to Send Template. From the drop-down menu, select the template you created earlier. This tells Gmail to automatically send your saved response whenever an email matches your criteria. Click Create Filter to activate it. Finally, test your setup by sending a test email that matches your filter conditions or ask a colleague to do so. Verify that the auto reply is sent as expected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.